Hello everyone, welcome on Frogtech Tips. Today I have just quick unboxing for one of the Dehumidifier DH-12300 Electronics 12 liter per 24 hours 200 watt 5-hour connection have as well. I think it's Metlic or Matlock or whatever brand. I will have a look, I don't remember exactly, but it's really strong for the price I buy it. It's been just €85. Just let's go quick, have a look how it looks like. One hand man. There you go. Yeah, it looks like. Actually, it's heavy. Oh yeah. Yeah, it is heavy. I think 10 kilo. That's it. We have units. Nothing here. And also it's included the hose for continuous drying down the container. And so it should be cable somewhere. Yeah, it's there. Even in this, there. Okay, this is how it looks like. I will show. Here is a container for water. Here is a, and there should be somewhere also some filters. Okay, never mind. For now, just plug in to see how loud is it. Wait, look at that, nice display, and we just power on. Yeah, and that's it. You can set up something, and this is how loud is it. Okay, that's it for now. I will test it, and later on I will tell you how good is it once I will make a long test. So far, click like, subscribe for more videos like this.